What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon freaking Work. And today we're talking about how to purchase a car through your LLC. Let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to purchase a car through your LLC. Alright, so before we get into how to purchase a car through your LLC, let's talk about why you should buy a car through a LLC. So instead of the how, let's talk about the why first. The tax write-offs, my friend. The tax write-offs are easier to do when you buy a car through your LLC. You won't be confused of what mileage to write off and what not to. That's a beautiful thing, right? And you can deduct the entire cost of operation for every vehicle registered specifically to your company. Ain't that something? There are different types of bonuses you will get for buying a heavier vehicle too. So you ain't even gotta get a little putt-putt, you ain't even gotta get a little sedan, and you can get you a big boy, you can get you a Tahoe, you know what I mean, an Expedition, an F-150, you know, the big boys. You ain't gotta just go with the little putt-putt, the little boop. You can get you a nice big car. You'll be eligible for a Section 179 deduction of up to $25,000 if you use a heavy SUV, pickup, or van for business 50% or more of the time. This big deduction will only applies to your first year you put the vehicle in use, and you will need to make sure it meets the IRS's specifications. So definitely check out your accountant with this. There are plenty of other reasons why you should buy a car through your LLC, but I'm not going to go over every reason why. I'll save that for another video. I'll probably put that in a link in the description once I record it. With that being said, let's get into the actual steps of how to purchase a car through your LLC. Alright, so let's break down step one. You must apply for the car using your business name and federal tax ID. I know this sounds kind of self-explanatory, but some people don't understand that portion. You need a tax ID, aka EIN number. Step two, if your business is not creditworthy nor generating enough profit, you may be required to co-sign individually for the car. All right. Step three, gather all business and personal tax information showing that you can actually afford the vehicle. Step cuatro, number 4. Also, make sure to bring your articles of incorporation for proof that the business is truly yours. Okay, you definitely gotta prove it. You can't just come with the EIN number and think, hey, give me, take it or leave it. I'm that guy. You gotta show proof. Step 5, make sure to add the value of the car as an asset and the amount financed as a liability on your company books. Definitely gotta do that, okay? Step 6, the next step is to lower your liability by splitting the interest paid as an expense on your profit and loss statement. The principal will be applied to lower your liability. All right, there's a lot of tongue twisters in that one, but check out the blog to be able to decipher that more clearly. Step number 7, your accountant will depreciate the asset value of the car and deduct it from the car's value on your balance sheet. Again, check out the blog. Step 8, the yearly depreciation amount will be deducted from your profit, in turn lowering your taxable income. And my friends, this is how to purchase a car through your LLC. It's not as hard as most people make it out to be, right? It's not as hard. All you got to do is have the right documentation and you're good to go. And as you can tell, there are a lot of benefits to purchasing a vehicle with your business credit or what have you. Now, if you want to learn more about this topic, there is an ebook below. You should go and check it out. Also, there is a link in the description to build your business credit with just using your LLC and EIN number. Matter of fact, you don't even have to be an LLC. You can just use your EIN number. All right, you can build your credit just like that. Also, if you want to learn how I've been able to create a passive income online that gives me more time freedom, check out the Wealth Builders with a Z system.com. All right, the link is in the description as per usual. Man, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being a wealth builder. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for how to purchase a car through your LLC. Do remember, wealth builders, we do what? Make more. And then save more. And then what? Build more. Peace.
Get it.
The Wealth Builders, baby.